Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can write an email using ChatGDT. So let's jump right into this video. So what you have to do, just head over to chatgdt.com and then here in the search bar, please write right over here. Please write a cold email email introducing myself and my company and inviting someone for a meeting. Okay, meeting. Okay, so now just click on this button and let's see what we have. Now, this is not a perfect email. Obviously, you need to add something to the email. Actually, change the email. Make it better because that's what you should do. Even if it's perfect, I think adding your own take, you know, edit the email a little bit more so it sounds more natural. You can also write. Here we have the email subject, introducing inviting meeting. Dear, my name is, okay, your company, truly. As you can see here, please let me. Okay, this is the email. You can also write. I mean, that's fine. You just need to add in now the email, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope this short tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.